that nigga. Bitches can't stand him, niggas wanna jam him, and they wanna blame him. I'm that nigga.
It's your boy SkinzDior, and this is SkinzDiorTV. I got my boy Big Booty June with me. You know what I'm saying? Big Booty June. We about to head into this car show right now. We're waiting for half-ass Jay to get here. But we about to see some exotic ass cars and some girls in here that like things that go vroom vroom and all that. That's my man right here. You already know. Yeah, but we about to go up in there. We're waiting for Jay to get here. Waiting for my man Jay to get here so we can go up in there and see some of them sexy things in there. I'm talking about the cars, by the way. Alright, see y'all in a minute. First time up in here, B. This shit look crazy. Hell yeah.
I mean, it was a long time when I came.
I want to go to the muscle cars, B.
They only have them sometimes. They only have them.
Oh, so some of these regular looking joints?
Nah, they gonna have. Most of them is just regular. They ain't like custom or nothing like that.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was like, you know, they gonna have the He-Man chargers and all that. They don't got nothing like that?
Oh, yeah, they gonna have them like Hellcats and all that.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Yeah, they gonna have those.
I want to sit in one of these joints.
And then he's winning a brand new sneaker from us.
I don't want to see no hybrid car I can see in the street.
I think they're gonna show like all the new shit coming out. And they have like some concept shit. That ain't crazy though. I never really liked it. I like more of the custom cars.
Yeah. Where them joints is at though? You gotta look for Dodge.
You gotta look Dodge.
Yeah, I don't want to see no Civic.
Junior Hondas, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what he like to do. He like, I want to find me an act out here, B. He said you got a whole. If he had to pick every car, he'll pick an Acura over and get in here. He said he want one with a messed up transmission and shit. Nigga said, give me the one with the messed up transmission. Oh, that shit look nice over there. Let me see this joint right here. Oh, that's nice, man. Sexy joint right here, B. Man, this shit. I ain't even heard of this, B. I was talking about this right here. It's fire, B. It almost like a sort of like a Bugatti kind of, but like
Fast and Furious.
But no,
what's his name?
Need for Speed.
Need for Speed?
Yeah, Need for Speed too. Yeah.
It look like the Bugatti, but it's like more flat.
That's what I mean.
That's
the fastest car.
Is it fastest car in the world?
Not the world, but
I wonder how much this shit costs.
Street legal car, not what I'm saying.
This not street legal, right?
Yeah.
This is street legal?
Yeah. That's
And you ain't gonna see nobody with it.
Nah, you'll never see it not over here.
Nigga, if I had the money, you gonna see me with it?
Right, that shit over here. That's you show up in Vegas.
Oh, you heard? He said 3, 4, and 5 million.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's affordable to some of the people that got it, basketball players and all that.
somebody with money down south,
Nigga, 3.5 million. You think I never even see NBA people with them joints.
You probably can't get them anyway. You probably gotta own maybe 2 of them or something.
You gotta own like 2 of them?
You know, that's how like Lambo, nigga, you gotta own certain, you gotta own on to get certain ones. You can't just go in there and be like, yo,
I want a Lambo?
Yeah, like certain ones, not all of them. Like them crazy exclusive, like baddies and all that shit. Nigga, you just can't, you know what I'm saying? Just walk in there like, I don't work like that, bro.
That's crazy.
They only make a certain amount of them, so it's like you can't get them even if you got the dough. That's why when you get them, you should just work some of the money.
Oh yeah, those are the limited edition ones, right? What's this right here though?
that shit mean.
I wouldn't. It's nice, but nah, I wouldn't. That's not. It's not more like my steez. Oh damn, hold on. Let me look at this close up. God damn.
What are you talking about? You talking about top?
Good evening, and thank you for stopping by the Genesis display. My name is Mimosa, and I'm one of the brand ambassadors,
shit.
and would like to introduce you to Genesis. We distinguish ourselves from other luxury market brands through 4 brand tenets.
Imagine pulling up in this, B.
Human-centered innovation and hassle-free customer
Get the rose gold rims and shit.
Premium on your time and convenience, the ultimate luxury.
This looks crazy, B.
Now the underlying design theory behind
Yo, this is crazy, my
is to
G.
connect the driver and the vehicle.
Like it's some shit out of this world, B. It's like a spaceship.
Artificial intelligence.
Hey, you pull out in the hood and you can't get out. You can't get out this car. If you get out this car, you.
It also features facial recognition to open the vehicle and start the engine.
What's the name of this?
My name is Mimosa. I'm one of the brand product experts.
It ain't out though. Like that car ain't out.
Vehicle born of human-centered luxury, demonstrating that respect is the
But you know, like the specs on it, like it's not just all look like it does something like the other cars don't do. Yeah, this shit is nuts, B. This shit is nuts, man. Ain't letting nobody get up in that joint. Whew, let's go move on to the next. That should be crazy right there, B. This shit fire, B. What's like a chrome? Like a chrome blue? Like a satin chrome? It got like a chrome kind of look, though. I'll fuck with it, yo.
What's that shit on the Black Panther? Nah, not this one.
It reminds me of the way the inside looked like. It looked like the Q35 Infinity, right?
Right.
Now it look like the Infinity.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. All the way right. I like the matte gray.
Nah, I don't like them.
You don't like the matte?
Nah.
How you don't like them?
Nah.
That's satin right there. That's like satin.
It looked like it's. You know what? I don't like it because it looks like it's spray painted.
Yeah.
I don't like that look. I seen when I used to see other people's joints in black. I'm like, look like somebody spray painted your joint. Let me see the inside of this. It reminds me of the Infinity joint. Interior over here, yo. Yeah, nigga. As much as I want to do it, if I could get this car and I'd be the only car, you know what? Fuck it. Yeah, look at this joint, but ain't that the same thing but in red? That's accurate. Damn, accurate stepping it up like that. Oh, every car, even the Kia, like every car stepping it up.
You know who got the joint right now? The Kia.
The Kia's got some new fire too. A lot of the joints, even the Fords, everybody trying to step it up.
Fucking, they got some shit, nigga, twin turbo shit, nigga. Some stupid bad.
And some Kia joint?
Yeah, nigga.
That shit was fire too, B. Look at this shit. Man, B. We need to get some money, man. We need to get some money, man. Before I go all out, I need to send in something exotic, man. I'm getting everything I want in this period, nigga. Every car.
Like that, man.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Hey man, that's what I'm saying. It's like, all right, I'll take it, but it's like it's not something like.
I love that man great look.
Nah, I can't do that, man. Great. I can't even do that on cell phones no more, B. It's the IA. I'm in love with these joints now, B. You don't like the IA?
Yeah, I like it. It's electric. I don't like it.
He don't like it because it's electric too.
I can hear them. It's different. I like the sound of the car.
It's electric too and gas, but
you don't feel like shit when you be driving. You know what I'm saying? Like,
the IA is mean though, man.
It's mean. I ain't gonna lie. I say that shit had a real motor, it'd be better.
That's crazy. That
should make one.
I ain't gonna lie. My dream car is, you know, the 2-door coupe Bentley. Yeah, don't worry about it. The 2-door coupe Bentley. But I take this over.
That should be good, but I just don't like it's convertible.
Huh?
Convertible, right? Yeah, it's a convertible.
I don't remember them being a convertible.
I like rag top,
huh?
I don't like that. I take it though.
Yeah, no, I take it. Like I said, I probably. Nah, them joints like 150. I know somebody with one. But it's the depreciation the depreciation ain't that great on it. They say it's better to get it used and leased because that should depreciate whoever had it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Because you remember too that shit got lifetime on the battery.
Yeah.
So once it's been used,
he said he told me the dude that he got it, that bring it back.
They always put the M3s over here. The M's.
What's that? Like why it look like that?
Satin.
That's the satin?
Yeah.
Man, nah.
I ain't never come here.
Man, let me see.
You don't like the satin? I like it.
Yeah, I like. Hold on, let me see. Man, dude, this one look crazy in here.
You don't like that satin?
Yeah, I like the satin chrome. I actually
I love that sound.
what is Chris Brown in there, B? What the nigga from Love and Hip Hop, LA? What's the nigga name? you know what I'm talking about? What's it? A lyrical boyfriend? Producer?
Yeah. What's that nigga name?
Yeah, what's his name?
Damn.
Hey, I got to tip my tongue. Yeah, that's what he looked like for a minute. Chris Breezy. I ain't gonna lie, I can feel him. Let me see this bright orange joint right here. Damn, look at with the black rims. Hell yeah, I do that. Easy. This is fire, B. This is fire, B.
You can't even see you got sunglasses on.
I can see it, nigga.
All carbon fiber, bro.
Oh shit, hell yeah. Look at that shit. The whole entire thing. Yeah, this shit, the whole car. The whole car carbon fiber. I thought it was just the back.
How light that
And not the inside from what I can see.
Carbon fiber too.
Oh yeah, I see it right there. I see it. Nah, this would be something I got a stun on.
Yeah.
Not even on the weekend, this is once in a while. You know how when Fast and the Furious, he bring that car once a year? But what you gonna do with it sitting up?
I'll be in this shit in Florida. I got that shit in Florida.
Shit, race car.
Yeah, that ain't no regular.
That's
Yeah, accurate intersection.
oh, that Benz right there. I'll do that one right there. But let me see this one right here. I like this joint right here, B. Oh, not with that Super Sport. It's that Ghost right there. I'll take this over there. I need a driver for that. Nigga cruise.
Right here, so nigga can drive you around and shit.
I would never drive this car right here.
What you need?
This right here?
And this you're gonna just drive it like
But
that.
eliminate that Super Sport.
Drive this like that.
I eliminate that Super
Drive
Sports.
this like that, you're all slow.
Nah, this one, yeah, just like that.
Nah.
Look, John.
That joint look trash with that joint on the side like that, man.
Yeah, I hate grabbing.
The Super Sports.
Yeah.
I'm getting that removed ASAP. ASAP, come on. It's a Bugatti joint right here. It's right there. Nah, that's the Bugatti shit right here. Hold up. Hold up. Right there. Look at that joint. That joint. That joint probably like $4 million probably. Yeah. That joint. I remember that Jamie Foxx got that gold joint. He the only one with that gold joint. You seen that? So what? Nigga said, this nigga wanna go see a Kia when we in here with Bugattis and all that. Nigga said, listen, nigga said, where the Honda with the messed up transmission?
Yeah, Joe. Yo, let me get that Honda with the bad tranny.
Hold this. He gonna go like this. You know, like the nigga with the got the cheeseburger gonna be like this. Yo, where that Honda? Where that Honda with the messed up tranny? Nah, I'm fucking with you. Hey, hold this, man.
Oh man, I ain't holding that for what? Let me see.
Come on. You see how he don't want to hold nothing, want to do nothing. But when I gotta give you $5 to get your ass in here, though, right?
Both of them.
That blue one is fire, B. I ain't gonna lie to you. You're the orange one too.
Both of them are stink.
That's like custom. That's not regular. That's not
I thought that looked like from BMW or something.
Body out and all that. They don't come like that.
Yeah.
They're bugging.
So this don't come like this?
No. The wheels, but they come.
Wide body and all that. Come like that.
Yes, they do.
Right, come like that. Yeah, that's like
Yeah.
not like this.
I ain't gonna lie, B. You'll catch me one of these, B. How much these going for?
See, look, y'all seen it. West Coast Customs did this shit. I was just watching this on TV.
Nigga, if you pulling up to this, niggas ain't gonna know what this shit is.
You know West Coast Customs is?
Yeah.
Did it?
That's the niggas that be doing it on the TV.
Yeah. I think I seen this one.
They don't got that show no more.
Yes, they do.
Let's hope well.
On Velocity.
Oh, they got a Velocity?
No, you can't go in there. You crazy?
Nigga said,
How can you go in there? Like, with your child.
Nigga, you gonna get thrown out with the fucking Will Smith style, and they gonna throw your ass out of here, bitch. You going there?
There's one outside.
Yeah, that shit mean right here, but
So how much you said this to go for?
I don't know. What they going for?
This the same car? Not hooked up though.
Yeah, this is regular stock.
Nah, I don't want it like this. See like this, you ain't gonna sell it to me. I'm like, nah, I'm good. See it like that. That look way different. You wanna go inside, yo? Or is somebody in there already?
GT all-wheel drive.
You just set me up, so I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie. A nigga gonna have to step out the Mopar lane probably, man. Try different shit.
So the only modifications remaining are that instead of altering tires, the skin plate under the oil pan is anticipated to swing by at LSD. Is that a tire out there?
We're gonna see what that engine. We'll see what that engine looking like, dude. See this? Look.
You ain't ready for this, huh?
Woo wee! Oh, this joint. Keep going. Let's see what it is. Yeah, go see how that joint is.
Paddles and everything.
Yeah, let me go see what that engine look like. Look, let me see if it look crazy.
You ain't gonna know. Change the turbo. 3-liter turbo.
What, 3-liter turbo?
3-liter turbo, 365 horsepower. Beast, yo.
Yeah. Alright. So I gotta get it like how they got it over there.
West Coast custom, huh?
Yeah, but even if I could just get the rims like that. Or I got the kit, alright, hold up. That's why I got the wide.
Wide body.
Yeah, it's wide. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's why I look like that.
Yeah, that wide body.
Yeah, that's the shit. That's what give it that look though, right there. The wide body kit.
Black roof, wide body, the rims.
And they got the Brimbos. Yeah, definitely. If I get it like this, you definitely gonna get me in this. I just want the Hellcat. I just want it. I want that power.
You just going like a couple of G's?
Nah, 770. But a lot, being at the fact that the Demon, a lot of people taking them shit back. Everybody trying to get into them joints. I wouldn't buy that living over here. Like, you ain't gonna be able to do nothing with it. Where?
From the looks of it.
Yo, he said down this way.
Where?
Yeah.
So it goes down.
What the hell? Easy's over here.
Keeping it greasy. Keeping it greasy. You said they ain't got one in here, right?
That's like the only talk about.
I know the Demon, but maybe they might have one probably.
I had that many, that's not really like a selling car, you know what I'm saying? That's more like a by your
especially in New York. Especially in New York. Come on, you gonna get stopped every time with that joint. Unless you live like in some Long Island somewhere. Yeah, that's the one I want right there, B. The Go Mango shit, but I want with the yellow trims in the bottom. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one right here I want, B. Without the black in the middle with the yellow trims. This the one. They got 2016 joint. This the one. This is the one I was telling you about. This the one I was. Well, that's the 392. That's a Scat Pack.
Scat Pack. You dropped your pamphlet, son.
Look, drop the pamphlet. The floor, yo.
Drop your crack. That's yours, June. It fell out your ass.
It's a Scat Pack. I don't want the Scat Pack, though. Yeah. Fire. Fire,
You can't just mean too. I like the truck, too.
Yeah.
Beast, nigga.
Yeah, this look like the This look like the
Ones I got on the block.
Yeah, no, that's the joint they got in the back. They don't got the 392 though. They all got RTs. They all got RTs. No.
Base model.
Nah, I seen. It was that one dude that got the base. That's Elton. She got the RT. Aaron got the RT, and the dude from Jersey that had the Magnum got the RT. This look like the what's that? The Track Hawk almost. Yeah. That joint is trash. Like, it's fast, but it's trash. That joint like that with that color, this color right here. Yeah. Even though I don't like dark colors, I could do this right here.
Like a ride, bro.
What's that right?
Because I show how it feels.
Yeah, it's on shocks.
What's this one though?
Huh? This one right here. What? This joint?
4.
I don't know.
It's a
What?
GT though.
Oh, it's a GT. That's why I don't like the GT. GT is trash.
Stagger.
Yeah. seen it. She the one controlling it? Yeah, because she got the Hellcat. Oh, shit. So that's how it really feel, right?
Yeah, boy.
I ain't gonna lie, this don't look that bad though, but it's still not my. Man, it's not my stage. It's joint. See, look, this one's 71,000.
Anything dark.
And that's brand new. 707 on. Dude, you know when
Too much, man.
you step on that,
Can't do nothing with that
nigga, then the
shit,
demon like 900, and you need to put the racing bar and all that in there. There's no point in having that in New York. And even this.
This is more of a, this is not a driver, this is more of a point car, like a track car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this the track.
Track car, like you ain't nigga, that's, you know what $700 is, bro?
Nigga, imagine you that on the West Side Highway.
What? You know what that is, B?
Imagine this on the West Side Highway, B.
Not even, it's just dangerous, bro. Like that shit, nigga, you know what that is? I mean, it's controlled. Cause you know, it's computer, right? You know, everything is, it's like, it's not like, just crazy. It's not like a race, you know what I mean? Everything got, you know, it's programmed to be safe.
That joint right there, boy.
If it wasn't, nigga, forget it, nigga. You wouldn't even be able to press the gas and that's gonna be sideways. They're gonna be touching it. Remember that Caprice? Remember Caprice on that shit? Nigga, that's only like 260. Maybe
more than that.
I'm telling you, dog. But when there's no traction, nigga, them cars is all over the place, bro. Like you wouldn't even be able to control that bitch, man. But like I said, they got all.
My car would come like what, 350?
Maybe that, but like I said, it's not like real 350. It's like it got like
control
and all that. Like, yeah, you could buy the computer, get your computer out, and it shouldn't be hitting numbers, but it gets dangerous. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I ain't doing all that shit.
Traction control, nigga, that thing helps you, bro.
Ain't doing all that.
I tell you, nigga, I used to drive my Caprice, nigga. That shit nowhere near. Nigga, you get sideways so fast in that car. In the rain, nigga, you press the gas through all, you be sideways like, oh.
Shit.
I like these joints.
I like the Camaro, yeah. James Fire.
You like the white Camaro. I'm not a white.
Boy, nigga trying to match. Get your ass out the way. He's standing there, man. This nigga, he
I don't like rags out, bro. I
don't like those either.
It's not down. It's rags.
Yeah, I don't like those either. The Camaros be and the Camaros and the Mustangs be. You like Mustangs?
Yeah, I like Mustangs.
I was saying after I get out the dog, unless I got more than one car, if I'm got the one, I want to switch it up to the Camaro or to Mustang. Yeah, I know. That's that white, right? What's this joint? It's starting at 62,000. Ain't that bad, B. Yeah. Mustang, right? These like the newer ones, right?
Yeah, they switched it up a lot.
I don't like it.
I think they bubbled it out a little too much.
Yeah, I seen it before.
This shit is more like almost like a BMW.
Yeah, I can see it with the round. I don't like that.
Like the M6
questions, let us know. Make sure you see a product specialist to get your invitation to test drive report and get a free $50 MasterCard.
They did go too far. They did go too far.
Yeah, they went too far off. Like they kind of going the line. They gonna put them originally.
I don't like the drop top joint. This is like the regular one right here.
Almost like the, they don't got too many joints.
Hey. About the break dance and shit. You part of the act? Alright, let's see what they're gonna do. Upper body swing retarded, B. And June think he gonna do that without you know, like Chipotle and shit. You know, like Chipotle, think he gonna do all that.
That's like different strong. That's not like weak strong.
Yeah. They work out, but it's not like to the point where they're trying to get like huge and shit. You know what I mean? Like this type of black is fire though.
No, they have this one.
Yeah, that's the. I see a black I can fuck with. You see the front of the joint, yeah. Yeah, I like this shit, B. But I don't know about the fender.
Nah. You're not a Nissan fan, bro.
Nah, I do like this shit. I know. Like I like the 350Z. Like I drove that shit before in Florida. Okay, I'm back from the car show. It wasn't really what I expected, but you know, it is what it is. My first car show, my first experience. Would I go back to another car show? Probably not that kind, because that was just showing what cars is coming out. There was a few exotic joints, but I want to go to a car show where it's like West Coast custom, East Coast custom, where all the cars is custom made, you know what I mean? But anyway, the vlog, that's why the vlog wasn't that crazy. But like I said, but y'all seen the footage. Like I said, the vlog, you know what I'm saying, could have been more lit, but it's a car show, you know, people walking around looking at cars. If you're into cars, then you probably gonna, you know, enjoy it a little bit more than the usual. But anyways, you already know from a why, so I gotta end every sentence with the word facts. And I know the tower is gone, but I'm gonna bring New York back. Gang.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. Show it what you want, show it what you need. My niggas run the game, we ain't never leave. Counting up this money, we ain't never